So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how you can fix if your touch screen of your iPhone is not responding at all. Now in this state, you are not even able to power off your phone or restart your phone to fix that issue. Now at this stage, you can do only one thing is that is to hard reset your iPhone. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply first tap the volume up button, then press the volume down button. Don't press and hold, and do it in a combination. Press volume up once, press volume down once, and then press and hold the power button. I'm not doing it right now because it will reset my phone. I don't want to, but when you press and hold, you have to press and hold it up to 10 seconds, and once you do that, your iPhone will be hard reset and your issues will definitely be fixed. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.